Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, let's research Samsung A7 2018 A750. Switch off the phone. If your phone don't want to switch it off, plug in charger from laptop. Keep pressing volume down and power, and it will be switched on. Plug in USB cable, press volume up and power key together. Keep holding. When you see the logo, release the power key. Keep holding, volume up. Guys, please subscribe my channel. Like the video if it's helpful. Now go to down here, wipe data factory, set from volume down. And top one here, wipe data factory reset. Select with power key, click once, bring down here, factory data reset. One click is wiping your phone, password, pattern, pin is wiped. A750F. Now we're just going to reboot system now from power key. Click once. Is rebooting now. A7 guys, Samsung. Charge the phone 40-50% minimum before you reset. Guys, subscribe my channel for latest video, more videos. Don't press any key. Patience is going to be normal. Take a few minutes, 4 minutes. Guys, subscribe please, support my new channel. Going to upload a lot of new videos. Can take few minutes. Don't have to press any key. Going to start Android. It's very easy guys, don't worry. This guys, starting now. Just connect Wi-Fi, go next, skip or use your Google account. Thank you for watching guys. See you in next video. English next.